Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. When it is harvested, bamboo poles with an average diameter of around 90 millimeters are selected, and then they are cut into 2.5 meter long pieces. The next step is converting these bamboo poles into thin strips. The bamboo is passed through a special star-shaped blade system, where it is fed under pressure and completely sliced into fine strips. The width of these strips can be easily adjusted by changing the blades. After cutting, the strips are collected and sent to the next processing stage. These bamboo strips have a fairly uniform structure, so to make them smoother, they are passed through a planing process. In this stage, the internal nodes and the outer green bark of the bamboo are removed. This process is repeated until the bamboo strips reach the required size and quality. Bamboo is an eco-friendly and sustainable material, and its leftover pieces are not wasted. The fine particles and waste can be reused to make particle boards, agglomerates, or burned in biomass power plants to generate green electricity. This reduces dependence on fossil fuels and benefits the environment. When bamboo boards or panels are produced, they go through multiple sanding stages. This is done to ensure the surface becomes completely smooth and even, allowing better strength and precision during the gluing process. The bamboo panels then go to the hot press stage. This is the stage where bamboo strips are transformed into solid sheets. Another important but less known step is sorting bamboo strips by color. In this stage, a machine automatically detects the color of the bamboo strips and quickly separates them into different groups. After this, the strips undergo visual inspection to identify any defective or low-quality pieces. Then glue is applied to the selected bamboo strips, and they are joined together in a vertical arrangement. These bundles or groups are tightly bound and sent to the hot press machine. Before pressing, the glued strips are carefully arranged on shelves. The machine can apply pressure of more than 1 ton, transforming the bamboo into extremely strong panels. Once the glue is fully dried, large pressed bamboo panels are produced, which then move to the final finishing stage. Another method for making thin bamboo panels is arranging strips horizontally and pressing them in a hot press. After pressing, the panels are sorted according to color, from light to dark shades. Defective panels are also separated at this stage. Another method of making bamboo plywood involves crushing bamboo strips to expose their internal fibers. After that, they are boiled in a special process, which softens them. They are then pressed and rubbed again to make them rough and fibrous. This process is usually repeated 2 to 3 times to produce strong bamboo boards. After that, bundles of bamboo fibers are prepared and joined together for pressing. These layers are stacked and glued, then pressed horizontally. During this process, the bamboo fibers are compressed under extreme pressure and turn into a strong sheet. In this stage, bamboo sheets are pressed under extremely high pressure, which can reach up to 2,500 tons. As a result, plywood made from bamboo fibers becomes about 20 millimeters thick. After pressing, the fibers inside the bamboo sheets become almost invisible, and the surface becomes very smooth and strong. Although bamboo naturally contains internal voids, it is still a very strong and durable material. It is a natural plant that can be used in many construction applications such as walls, structures, flooring, coatings, baseboards, and even furniture manufacturing. A special technique called finger jointing is used to produce large bamboo beams. These beams can reach lengths of around 5.8 meters, and in some structural uses, the length is not limited. 5-meter bamboo pieces are joined together, glued and pressed. Metal supports are also used to ensure proper alignment and prevent shifting. To ensure full strength and proper joining, pressure is applied in both horizontal and vertical directions. A special machine then processes large bamboo beams and converts them from square shapes into round shapes, producing strong bamboo rods with large diameters. Once the bamboo plywood is ready, it is sent for cutting into standard sizes. The typical size of bamboo plywood sheets is 244 centimeters in length and 122 centimeters in width. In the final stage, each sheet is individually packed, wrapped in plastic for protection, and labeled. The packages are then placed in cardboard boxes and tightly secured with plastic straps. This is the final stage of the process, after which the finished bamboo products are sent to the market or for use. Finally, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked this information, please like, comment, and share it so more people can benefit. For more similar interesting videos, subscribe to our channel, Metrixor.